Think about the world we live in. There's all this stuff. Rocks and rivers, trees, animals, sun, sky. Where did all this stuff come from? That is, why is it that there's anything instead of nothing? I'd lived a lot of years before this question ever crossed my mind, but now I consider it to be one of the most puzzling questions I know. And it turns out that people have been wondering about this question for thousands of years. Here's how it's posed in the Rigveda, a Hindu scripture that's at least 3,000 years old. Whence this creation has arisen? Perhaps it formed itself, or perhaps it did not. The one who looks down on it in the highest heaven, only he knows. Or perhaps he does not know. That is, this is a question so profound it might even stump the gods. Gottfried Leibniz, the philosopher and one of the inventors of calculus, put it this way around 1700. The first question which we have a right to ask will be, why is there something rather than nothing? I like to class questions that we don't know the answer to in three categories: puzzles, major puzzles, and enigmas. For me, puzzles are questions which are almost certainly to be answered in the ordinary course of scientific progress. Major puzzles require major conceptual breakthroughs. Certainly, resolving one of the major puzzles would be Nobel Prize worthy. Enigmas, to me, are questions where I'm not sure that anyone will ever know the answer. And this question of why there is anything instead of nothing, that to me is one of the great enigmas. In fact, for me, there are only three enigmas on my enigma list. This is one. Another one is, why is it, how is it that there is a moment that we call now? And the third enigma is, where does subjective experience come from? Our experience of the odor of a rose or the color red. I'll talk about these other enigmas in other videos. So, can we say anything about this? About why there is anything instead of nothing? Why is there a universe for us to observe at all? Why is there not just a null universe, a no universe with no matter, no energy, no space, no time, no physical laws to explain? Well, maybe we can say a little bit about this. What if there was nothing? Well, if there was nothing, that means there would be no laws. And if there are no laws, then anything goes. And if anything goes, then something could be created out of nothing. Our universe might be just one of an unlimited number of possible universes. Maybe all possible universes exist with all possible physical laws. Maybe one of the possible universes is indeed a null universe consisting of precisely nothing. The way the French existentialist philosopher Simone de Beauvoir put it, before existence there is no more reason to exist than not to exist. Now, is this a profound idea or just some silly wordplay? I don't know. I don't think anyone knows. As I suggested, I'm not convinced anyone will ever know, although I'd love to be surprised by further insights into this. Is it possible that both things are true, that it's both a profound insight and a silly joke? Who knows? Maybe this is what T.S. Eliot meant when he wrote, "On Margate sands, I can connect nothing with nothing."